Hello everyone, welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 4 best 3D scanners in 2019. To see the price and more information about these 3D scanners, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 4. We have the Fuel 3D SCANIFY 3D scanners. The Fuel 3D SCANIFY 3D scanners combines pre-calibrated stereo cameras with photometric imaging and captures an accurate scan from a single point of view in 0.1 of a second. Also, the studio software provides the ability to stitch multiple scans together. The sides that capture incredible 3D models for 1/10 of the cost of a comparable scanner. Moreover, it's optimized to work on some objects around 10 to 30 centimeters in size. It works best on surfaces with smooth flowing curves and contours such as the human form. On the other hand, the scanner needs the scanning surface to be opaque as transparent surfaces permit the light to pass through and prevent accurate surface measurement. Moving on at number 3. We have the MakerBot Digitizer Desktop 3D Scanners. The MakerBot Digitizer Desktop 3D Scanners Digitizer offers MakerBot multi-scan technology that allows you to scan objects from multiple angles to capture the top, bottom and hidden parts of your object. You can digitally capture and preserve your 3D mementos, creations and precious artifacts. The output standard 3D file formats, so that you can improve the shape, mold, twist, animate and transform objects to a third-party 3D modeling program. Also, it's easy to use, yet sophisticated software creates clean, watertight 3D models that are ready to 3D print. Besides, you get standard design files to use on the 3D printer of your choice. Moreover, it works seamlessly with MakerBot replica desktop 3D printers to let you make your freshly scanned models. On the other hand, the output is a standard 3D model file format and it can be modified and improved in third-party 3D modeling programs. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 2. We have the MATTERFORM MFS1 V2 3D scanners. The MATTERFORM MFS1 V2 3D scanners is equipped with MATTERFORM MF Studio Plus Quick Scan software. It's designed to integrate seamlessly into your workflow. You can get up to 0.1 mm accuracy with the precision of eye-save red lasers. Also, the sleek foldable design allows you to keep your scanner and workspace neat and clean. Besides, it has an integrated case that protects both the turntable and the camera. Moreover, you can keep your scanner and workspace tidy and clean with a combined case that protects both the turntable and the camera. Furthermore, it comes with a Plus Quick Scan that lets you get complete geometry in its fastest 65 seconds. Another advantage is that it supports both Windows and Mac with multiple export capability for 3D printing, AR and VR. Lastly, at number 1. We have the Artec Lite 3D scanners. The Artec Lite 3D scanners captures up to 60 frames per second and is similar to a video camera which captures in 3D. Also, the scan frames are aligned automatically in real time, which makes scanning effortless and fast. Besides, it is incredibly portable, and these handheld scanners can be used in the lab, on-site at your location or outside. Moreover, it has an outstanding measuring speed of up to 500,000 points per second, which makes them many times faster than laser scanners, and they can be used to scan moving objects as well as permanent ones. On the other hand, the removal of texture data capture also reduces the amount of data captured, reducing the requirements for the connected computer. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.